How to turn the Bluetooth on or off in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, tap on Bluetooth. Now here you will see a Bluetooth button on the top. So if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then tap on this button to turn it off. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then tap on this button to turn it on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth. So there is another way to do this. So for that, go back to your home screen and open Control Center, and here you will see a Bluetooth icon. So tap on this icon to turn off Bluetooth and tap on this icon again to turn it back on. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.